Hey everyone, today we're diving into the TCL C855 and uncovering the best calibration settings to get the most out of this amazing TV. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows, these tweaks will help you achieve a natural, lifelike picture without losing detail or oversaturating colors. Let's get started. Basic picture settings. First, head into your picture mode and set it to movie. This is the most accurate out-of-the-box preset and gives you a solid foundation. Next, let's adjust the core settings. Brightness, set it around 30, but feel free to tweak depending on your room lighting. Contrast, crank it up to 97. This balances highlights and shadows perfectly. Black level, keep it at 50 to enjoy deep blacks while preserving shadow detail. Color temperature, choose warm or -5 for natural skin tones. Sharpness, turn it down to 0 to prevent any artificial edge enhancement. Tint, set to 250, which keeps skin tones balanced and natural. Advanced tweaks. Now, let's take it a step further. Local contrast and micro contrast. Set both to high to enhance detail and depth. Gamma. 2.0 is ideal for consistent brightness across all scenes. There are also a few features you'll want to turn off to avoid any unnatural effects. Dynamic contrast, black stretch, dynamic brightness. These can crush detail in dark and bright scenes. Motion clarity and dynamic acceleration. Turning these off avoids the soap opera effect that can make movies look weird. Noise reduction. Keep it off to preserve fine details. And that's it. With these settings, your TCL C855 will deliver vibrant colors, deep blacks, and stunning detail without any unnecessary gimmicks. Try these tweaks and let your content shine the way it was meant to be seen. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite TV tweaks. Thanks for watching and enjoy your perfectly calibrated TCL C855.